Even though their name means 100 legs, no centipede has 100 legs. That's because everyone has an odd number of pairs of legs. Babies are born with 4 sets of legs. As they mature, they develop more legs. A female can have 150 babies in her lifetime. The 1-inch house centipede of Europe and North America is the only one common in homes. The biggest centipede species in the world is Scolopendra gigantea, a tropical bug that can grow over a foot long. Scolopendra galapagoensis, also known as Darwin's Goliath centipede, is a large poisonous species that only live on the island of Galapagos. These animals belong to the phylum Arthropoda and class Chilopoda. They are part of the phylum Arthropoda and subphylum Atelocerata. Their scientific name comes from the Greek words chilos, meaning lip, and pod meaning foot. Millipedes and centipedes belong to the same order but are not in the same class. Millipedes belong to the class Diplopoda. Tropical species are brightly colored and may have multicolored segments of red, yellow, blue and green. Smaller centipedes who live in temperate climates are more likely to be brown or gray in color. House centipedes range in size from 1 to 6 inches. They move extremely fast on their long legs, but you can easily identify them when you see them. How do you tell millipedes and centipedes apart? Millipedes have a lot of legs, but their legs are short and stubby. They move slowly and carefully. Centipedes, on the other hand, have long legs that let them move quickly. Another difference is that millipedes don't bite, but centipedes do. However, the bites of all kinds of centipedes, including house centipedes, although venomous, are generally harmless to humans. Tropical species are large and colorful. The largest known species is the Scolopendra gigantea, which is also known as the Peruvian giant centipede. This tropical beast is brightly colored and can reach more than a foot in length. You are not likely to see tropical centipedes inside homes. Most of them are active on the ground, but others can burrow into soft soil. Tropical species usually live in trees and inside caves. The species Scutigera coleoptrida is also known as the house centipede. You often find house centipedes indoors, where they like to live in bathrooms. Because of the damp conditions, these animals are predatory and carnivorous. Their favorite prey is small insects, including beetles, termites, beetle larvae, and earthworms. Large tropical centipedes feed on lizards, birds, bats, frogs, snakes, and mice. These animals are almost blind, and burrowing centipedes have no eyes. Despite this inability to see, they are excellent hunters.